Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Nitro Tech protein. Nitro Tech is a powerful whey protein supplement, specifically formulated to help you build muscle and recover faster after your workouts. Each serving delivers a substantial 30 grams of high-quality protein, along with added ingredients like creatine and essential amino acids. This combination is designed to maximize your gains and support your fitness journey effectively. Timing your Nitro Tech intake is crucial for optimal results. The best time to consume it is right after your workout, within 30 minutes, to kickstart muscle repair and growth. You can also take a serving first thing in the morning to boost your protein intake and support muscle maintenance throughout the day. For sustained protein levels, consider another serving between meals. Most individuals benefit from 1 to 2 servings daily, depending on their dietary needs and training intensity. Preparing your Nitro Tech shake is incredibly simple. For a standard serving, mix 1 scoop of the protein powder with about 6 to 8 ounces of cold water. Using a shaker bottle will ensure a smooth, delicious, and clump-free drink every time. If you prefer a richer, creamier texture, you can substitute water with milk. Feel free to adjust the amount of liquid to achieve your desired thickness and taste preference. To truly maximize the benefits of Nitro Tech, remember it's part of a larger picture. Always combine your protein supplementation with a balanced, nutritious diet rich in whole foods and a consistent, challenging exercise routine. Staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day is also vital for overall health and nutrient absorption. Finally, prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as this is when your muscles truly recover and grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.